Good morning, Milo. Hi, you're so handsome. You're so handsome. A-E-O-U. Oh, so quiet for the camera. I'll let you do the talking. Hey. What do you have there? What do you have? Good. Very good. A-E-O-U. Candy pie. You're so handsome. You're so handsome. I love that face. A little bit of bedhead, that's alright. Cute PJs. What you want? Hi. What do you need? What do you have? How many do you have now? How many remotes do you have? Oh, handsome face. What are you going to do with... You have two now? Yeah, you have two. Oh, are you going to throw them away? You threw it away. Okay. We'll get ready to go to Grandma Jenny's. Say bye-bye. Milo. Say bye-bye. Okay.